we guide you through how to create a payment link in Square. First, sign in to your Square dashboard or open Square Point of Sale app, then go to online checkout or payment links, depending on your version of Square. Then, click Create Payment Link. Choose whether you are selling a single item, accepting a custom amount, or collecting a donation. Then enter the product name, price, description, and any other required details. If needed, add an image, set quantity limits, or enable tipping. Review your payment settings, then click Create Link. Once it's generated, copy the payment link and share it through email, text message, social media, or your website so customers can pay securely online. You can also generate a QR code for in-person payments if needed.